Have you ever opened up your work software and felt like you needed a treasure map just to find anything? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, we're going to talk about how to build application interfaces in Pega that aren't just functional, but are actually intuitive and, dare I say, a pleasure to use. Let's dive in. Seriously, why is this so common? We've all stared at that screen, just a sea of buttons, menus, and links, trying to find the one thing we actually need to do our job. This kind of clutter isn't just annoying, it absolutely kills productivity. But what if there was a design philosophy built from the ground up to fix this exact problem? And that right there, that's the whole point. This quote from Pega's own documentation just nails it. The key words are less effort. See, the best application design isn't about cramming in more features. It's about cutting through all that noise to give the user exactly what they need, right when they need it. So, to see how we get to that effortless experience, here's our game plan. First, we'll really dig into the cluttered UI problem. Then, we'll check out Pega's solution, the Constellation vision, and see how that comes to life on landing pages. We're going to zero in on a super simple but really powerful tool, tabs. Look at how to set them up, and then finally, see the huge real-world impact this all has.
All right, let's start with that first point, the overwhelming cluttered interface. What does it actually take to find a better, smarter way to show information and tools to our users?
Well, Pega's strategic answer to this whole mess is its Constellation design system. And I want to be clear, this isn't just a fresh coat of paint or a new logo. It's a totally different way of thinking about how applications should be designed and built. You know, at its core, Pega Constellation is a whole philosophy for building things that are intuitive and efficient. But the real secret sauce is in that last part, across an entire application portfolio. This isn't about making one screen look nice. It's about creating one single, unified experience, no matter which app or which part of the system you're in. And this whole vision really stands on two main pillars. First up is accessibility, which is all about making sure that anyone and everyone can use the applications. And second, there's consistency. This means that once a user learns how to do something in one place, they already know how to do it everywhere else, no surprises. Okay, so we've got this awesome design philosophy, but where does the rubber actually meet the road? Well, the main stage for building these amazing user experiences is the landing page. Just think of a landing page as the user's mission control center. It's not just a pretty welcome screen. Nope. It's a dynamic workspace that's designed to give a user all the tools and info they need to actually manage their day and get things done. And the cool thing is, Pega gives you a huge head start with a bunch of out-of-the-box templates. So whether you need a big picture dashboard, a personalized homepage, a deep dive explore page for data, or just a straightforward My Work task list, there's a template pretty much ready to go. All right, now that we have our canvas, the landing page, let's zoom in on one of the simplest yet most powerful tools in our toolbox for organizing it all, tabs. The idea here is just beautiful in its simplicity. Instead of making people scroll for days or jump between a dozen different pages, you just group related stuff together into logical tabs. It creates an experience that people instantly get because, hey, we use tabs everywhere, in our web browsers, in spreadsheets, everywhere. And here's the kicker. The documentation points out this awesome double whammy benefit. It's not just that tabs feel familiar and intuitive. The real magic is that they also save screen space. You can pack so much more information and functionality into the same area without it ever feeling crowded or chaotic. So we've talked a lot about the why. Now let's take a quick look at the how. How do you actually set this up in App Studio? Don't worry, we're not going to get lost in the weeds with every single click, but we'll definitely cover the big ideas. The whole process really just boils down to three main stages. That makes it super approachable, even if you've never done this before.
It's kind of like cooking, right? First, you prepare your components. You get your ingredients together, which in this case are your landing page and the content you want to show. Step 2, you add and name your tab. In the page editor, you literally just click Add and give it a name. And finally, the fun part. You configure the details, tweaking the behavior and the look of each tab.
Now let's look at two little settings that can turn a basic tab into a seriously dynamic tool. First up, Show Count. This is brilliant. Imagine a tab that says Approvals, and right next to it, there's a little number 5. You instantly know you have 5 things waiting for you. It just grabs your attention and tells you what's important. Then there's Visibility. Oh, this is where things get really clever. You can set up rules to create truly personal experiences. Like you can have a team performance tab that only shows up for managers, or a stripped down view that only appears on a mobile phone. It's these tiny details that take a UI from just good to great by showing the right stuff to the right person at exactly the right time.
Okay, so let's pull the camera back now and look at the real payoff here. What does all of this actually mean for the person who has to use this application day in and day out?
Honestly, the difference is like night and day. In the before world, you have information scattered all over the place. Users are forced to hunt and peck and click around, just wasting time trying to find things. But in the after world, with a simple tab layout, everything is organized. The most important information is just one click away. And that translates directly into people being more efficient and less frustrated.
So when you boil it all down, this approach just delivers. It saves screen real estate. It dramatically cuts down on the time users waste searching for things, and it creates a workflow that just feels natural. You're not just organizing a page anymore. You're transforming it into a powerful, multi-purpose dashboard that actually helps people get their jobs done faster.
So we've seen how one simple, elegant technique can bring a ton of clarity and efficiency to your applications. It really brings us back to that first principle, less effort. So the only question left is, now that you know how to do this, what's the first complex interface you're going to simplify?